Hiya! So I'm going to film the installation of a trigger arm on a DOC 200. This just makes the trap really good for seeing when it's being triggered from a distance. So I have some set up that I can see from my regular journey in the car. Right, you've got your DOC 200 trap. You open it up to trigger mechanism inside. So along the top is Trapinator DOC 200 if you've got a correct DOC 200 Waddington trigger. You're looking for the O, above the O on Trapinator, about 1 thumb length or finger length down. You drill a hole. So now I've got a hole in the side of my trap. I'm going to put a zip tie on the handle of the kill bar. It's going to be quite hard to focus on it, but there's the handle there. I want to put a zip tie on the far left hand corner of it. Tighten it up all the way so that the zip tie, all the tag is hanging out. And that way when you pull it up, when it's set, you thread the zip tie back through the hole, and there you go. So you have the zip tie. Some people that's enough from a distance. You can see a bright yellow zip tie, but also for some people you need to do a bit more. Don't pull the zip tie to set the trap. The zip tie is simply there as an indicator. It's not there as a pull rope. So you've got your hole. Okay, so here's the trap. There's the hole for the zip tie. I've got my indicator arm with a hole down one end and the screw in it so that it spins on there. Yeah. So I'll put my finger where the zip tie would come out, and I'll try and get the indicator arm level so that when the zip tie is through, it will hold the indicator arm level. And then I put my screw in there. There you go. So the zip tie will hold it here. When the zip tie goes down, the indicator arm pops up, and they catch really well in the light of a torch or headlights of a car or something like that. So you can put them at the end of your garage or the end of, somewhere on your driveway, and every night that you go past you can see which ones have triggered and which ones haven't.